my channel. If you're new, my name is Kristen. Today is another Dollar Tree haul. I found some really fun, cool, I don't know if they're cool, but I found some really neat fall items at the Dollar Tree along with some other things, and I wanted to show you guys because I was super excited about it. I've been waiting for signs from the Dollar Tree to come for quite a while now, and now I am 100% officially done going to that store. Holy cow, this July has it's taken my whole paycheck. Okay, but I'm gonna let's just go. This sign right here, it says grateful, thankful, and blessed, but I really like the outside of this. I think I might change something on the inside. If not, I just might leave it like this and do something, I don't know. But I thought this was super, super cute. The next thing I found were these bows. These are really cute. These are different than last year, so I think they're different than last year. At least I didn't buy them from last year, but I thought these were really cute, so I had to grab those. And they come in a 2-pack, and that's great. These little scarecrows, I thought these were super, super cute, so I picked those up. These are definitely new. I know they didn't have these last year. They are these decorative picks. There's these larger pumpkins. These come in a 4-pack. They also had orange as well, but I just stuck with these like cream color. And then you get this pack, which they are smaller pumpkins, and they are in a 5-pack. And I picked, oh wow, I guess I didn't know I even had these. Okay, so there's a large one, you get 4, a medium-sized one, and you get 5. And then you get smaller ones, you get 10 of these. And how cute, these are so little and so tiny, and I love these. I love these. I was so excited to find those. What else? Okay, this is another fall thing that I found that I have not seen. It says farm fresh pumpkins, 25 cents per pound. This is really, really cute. And I am not gonna do anything with this. I'm probably just gonna stick this in my front yard because I love these signs from the Dollar Tree. Although they don't last that long, like when it gets rainy, take them inside. But anyways, for only $1, I thought that was just a really great deal. So, and of course, Dollar Tree, $1. I say it often, I know. All right, the next thing I picked up were these. So these are jewel border stickers, and these are cute. Can I show you? Can I not? Okay. I picked up 2 packs of these. I thought these would be fun, and I didn't really love the outside color, and you can just spray paint these, which I thought that would be super fun to do. I picked up 4 of these little signs. I never think to pick up 4. I grabbed 3 of everything and then realized I need 4, and then I never find the 4th ever. So I picked up 4 of these little signs. They are all the same. This one says you're a peach. They're actually cute if you like decor like this. Our nest is best. And then this one, it's little things in life. These are cute. I'm definitely gonna be doing something else with these. I just liked the size of them, so I thought they would be perfect. I've seen these around and just grabbed 3 packs of these. They're these little wood craft cubes. They're really tiny, but I thought these would be really cute for something. So picked up 3 of those. These are there every single year, these grateful, thankful, blessed, but I think it's perfect for around fall time and Thanksgiving. And I picked up 2, actually I picked up 2 of these and I didn't even realize I picked up 2. This one I thought was really cute. It's a laundry room sign. It says sort, wash, dry, all that fun little stuff. These are really cute to make signs with, so I just grabbed those. This is just random stuff real quick, and then I found some really like cute new items. These are just my favorite paint brushes. I've actually been using these to paint my house with, and these are absolutely amazing. I think these are a little bit bigger than what I bought last time. These are like 2 inches, but these work super good. I know some say, no, they didn't work for me, but so far I've been able to paint furniture with these along with my walls in my house, and so I grabbed 4 of these because I do a lot of thrift store makeovers, and I like to paint furniture and stuff, so grab those. Also finally found this. So I love using my Silhouette and Cricut, and everyone said that I should use this like transfer tape or this from Dollar Tree. I finally found it, so I will be trying this out just to see how it works. Everyone said that this is like a really, really great deal. And you can like reuse transfer tape over and over again until it's just worn. So I thought might as well try it. It's in the drawer and shelf liner area. I'm pretty sure this is what people are talking about, so I just picked that up. I found this picture right here. So excited to find this. My friend Nicole from the Week's Nest, she actually did a DIY with this. So cute. I love it. I will link that channel below. Her video is adorable. This is one of my favorite things I've seen in a really long time on YouTube, and I know it's like it was simple and easy, but it was just something that I really liked and I'd like for my home. So really cool, had to grab that. I grabbed these 2 pumpkin signs, same thing, but I always like to redo these, and I think these are like the best signs with like the pumpkins. So grabbed those. I also grabbed calendars. Yes. I actually saw this one on the Facebook site. It says, God bless this farm. I love this cow print, but there's so many things that you could do with the calendars. I love the cow, the pigs are cute, they have a goat. I love my goats, I love my ducks. There's some ducks, geese. I just love this whole calendar. I thought it was really cute. And then I found this one right here. So I thought this one was cool because on the back side, there isn't a ton that I loved, but if you like the boho, there's like some antlers, it's free spirit. I like this like explore one. I'm gonna be doing like some kind of like camping theme video within the next few weeks. And then and this pumpkin right here for fall. I thought it was super, super cute. And this says peace on earth for like Christmas. I love this, and I was so excited to pick this up. The last couple things I grabbed some more of these cotton stems because I knew I go through these like crazy. I don't love the way these look this year, but I heard that some people are just painting them and they look more realistic. So that's probably what I'm gonna do, is just paint these to make them look a little more realistic. And the real reason why I went to the Dollar Tree is because I ran out of makeup wipes, and I love the Bolero face wipes. So these are face wipes. They're not like makeup wipes, but you wet these down just a little bit with water and they work amazing. I also found these ones as well. These are the Allure brand. I've never seen these, but I feel like these are from somewhere. Are these from Walmart? I'll have to look it up just to see. But these ones are for sensitive skin with vitamin E in them. And I am 100% okay with buying makeup wipes from the Dollar Tree because you just use them and you throw them away. No big deal. If they work and take your makeup off and don't ruin your face, then good enough for me. Also, last thing I bought was these. This is such a deal. I love using these. I think it's better than tin foil. It is obviously foil sheets, tin foil, but without the roll. So love these. I always pick some of these up almost every single time I go to the Dollar Tree. But that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.